Cal, it's 9:30. Can we call it a night?
You can if you want to. I'm not leaving here until I've figured out, until something somehow clicks into place.
You don't think sleep might help?
Flipping post-mortem. I want some sexy, brilliant but troubled forensic scientist to waltz in here, give me some results, flirt a little bit and then bugger off. But no, they'll try and get to it next week.
I think that...
But we need time of death. That ransom was either paid before or after Jamie Phelps died, and if it's after, it's got to be a murder. And if it's a murder, someone's going to come in here and try and take this case off us.
Especially if we don't have any leads or fully understand what is going on.
Exactly.
Ow. I've got something.
What?
What are you doing?
Just trying to clear my head. What you got?
You know how the body was wet, right? It had been high tide, but the water had receded by the time the body was found.
Yeah?
Look at these pictures.
What is it,
Look at the rocks and the lichen. It's the tide line. Jamie's body fell at the point just before the tide line. The water was only in that spot for half an hour or so. I looked at the tide tables.
So if the body was wet...
It means he fell between 12:13 and 12:43.
Well, that's precise. The text was sent to Lucy at 12:40.
So he could have sent the text and then jumped, or, you know, it could have taken a while for it to send through. It's a windy spot, reception ain't great.
But if you were going to send that text and you knew you were going to jump, wouldn't you wait to know that it had been sent? Has anyone switched the phone on?
Yeah, it was locked.
But it came on?
Yeah, it comes on, asks for a passcode, switches itself off again when it doesn't get one.
I've dropped 3 phones in the bath. They all died. That phone is not wet. Look, the case is leather. We'll get Speedy down at forensics to check for salt deposits, but I think the phone was thrown after Jamie fell. Where did you save the ransomware emails?
It's under Phelps in the... Let me do it.
No, it's okay. Got it. So, thank you for doing business with us. We're pleased to acknowledge receipt of funds. All files returned. Look at that, quite proper, aren't they?
Yeah, like I said, it's a business for these people. What time do they say the funds arrived?
They don't. The email came in at 7 p.m. Should I email them back? I'm going to. Done.
All right then, I'm going to go home to my wife, my daughter, and a hot chocolate.
Rock and roll. All right, good work today. We are more than happy to help with your inquiries. Money received at 2:56 p.m. UK time. Have a lovely day.